Is it George? Look out the window then. Can you see? Or do you want to sit on my lap? Right then. Okay, you can see enough. Can you see?
No, that might be on a 427, I think.
You way back? That's yellow. Oh, the top's yellow. Yes, that's right. The top is yellow. No, come on. Where's it gone? a ticket, bus ticket.
Wow.
Thank you.
Yes, I will.
Is Mum going to give you a ticket? What are you going to say when he gives it to you? You'll say, thank you. And that's yours. You're going to say thank you? Say thank you. Good girl. You've got a yellow one, I've got a green one. Do you like mine as well? Oh, I've got to keep mine alive. I've put mine in our bag. I've got these naughty bags. Oh, you got a green one, Esme's got a yellow one. Did you swap? So you're the adult and you're the child. Miley, Esme's talking to you. Would you like mine then? Would you like to look after mine? Would you like to look after mine? Okay? And then you can there's a wood there, look. Trees, nice green trees. Houses up there. Oh, I'm very sorry.